Welcome to Introduction to HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These are the topics I plan to cover, but let's get started. First, we create a index.html file, but before that, create a folder. How do you create this file? Use a editor like Notepad or Visual Studio Code. So type these texts into a file named index.html. Save it, double click on it on a browser. Let's do that. Home, actually it's home. There's intro to HTML, CSS, JavaScript. It's in my folder number 1, index.html, and you get this really tiny hello world. Let me zoom in. Yeah, it's sans serif text. So this is what I see on the browser, as I showed you. High resolution screens like mine render text in a rather small font. And note that the browser defaults to a serif font, which is rather old-fashioned. I prefer a sans serif font. So let's move on to the next topic. Let's introduce some styling to make the font sans serif. And I've included on line 6 a file known as main CSS, named main CSS. It's a style sheet. And what does the style sheet contain? It says for the body element, make the font family sans serif, make the font extra large, and make it royal blue. Now, each line in a CSS file needs to be terminated with a semicolon. And this is what you get on the browser. Let's look at it on my file system. So I got main CSS here, and you get hello world, right? So that's all for the very short lesson for sections 1 and 2.